How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to grow taller for beginners fast. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dillenberg999. So the tricks I'm going to give you, they will work for a beginner. I know these work personally because usually at the age of 25, you stop growing. That's normally what it is. About 25, you stop growing. At 25, I was 5'9". I'm 30 now, I'm 5'10 and a half. So I've gained an inch and a half on my height, considering I was never supposed to gain any more height. So if you're under 25, you could probably gain 3, 4, 5 inches by doing this trick. What you want to do to grow taller is you want to help your body to initiate that growing process. And what I didn't do this directly to grow tall. I did it just to help me with my lifting and to make sure I was injury free. But that is stretching. The big ones, stretching your torso, stretching your legs. So an easy torso stretch is literally getting your hands and just reaching as high as you can. I would do the stretch all the time. It helps to keep the obliques, the core. It helps to keep that area injury free when you're doing like big squats, big deadlifts, basically any compound movement that really incorporates the core. Stretches for the legs are very simple, literally just standing up, touching your toes. Anything basically that really stretches the hamstring. Quad stretches are good too, but the really important one is going to be stretching your hamstrings. Now, if you want to do a full body stretch, I just recommend looking online for yoga routines. Yoga is something I have done. It works extremely well. It is very good for preventing injuries before you work out. And it will help you to grow taller because it's all stretching. And when you stretch your body out, it can induce height growth. So that's what I recommend. End the video. Thank you so much for watching.